It's us. What's up, YouTube? This your boy Busy B. I'm coming at y'all to show y'all how to make some t-shirts for cheap. It's back to school. Came up with this idea, save money because of the time we in. So I want to show y'all how y'all can make some shirts, keep a little money in your pocket. Them $30, $40 shirts, you can make yourself. So check it out. First of all, you have to have a Cricut cut maker machine. It's like a Cricut cut Explorer. I'm gonna show you guys. A laptop. It don't have to be a fancy iPad, this and that. A nice little laptop and a heat pressing machine. So I'm gonna show you guys what you need to do that. To make it look real nice, and show you also the vinyl, the product you need to put on the shirt. It can be any color, whatever you desire, whatever you feel like making. As long as it's something simple when you first start out. This is a Cricut Explorer Air 2. This helps cut your vinyl designs. This is my HP laptop. I designed all my designs on the Cricut app. This is a Vevor Heat press machine. I use this to make all my shirts, pants, socks, hats, and more. I'm going to show you these for my son, BJ. Little regular skeleton, crossbone skeleton here, t-shirt. Now, he made a Grand Reaper. Also a Nike, it's just do it. My daughter, Beatrice shirt, BB. Just a little regular Nike shirt, BB. Ace of Spades shirt. And she was real creative with this also, the spider web in the corner, something different. I liked that idea. But let me tell y'all what's crazy, and it still came out good. She went backwards, but I'm like, dang. She really was supposed to take the background off, leave the 8, but she went the other way. But I'm like, you know what, this is different. It's like a black Ace of Spades color. It just was different, but it just would have been the Ace of Spades, the Spade, Ace of Spades, and black, and they wouldn't have had no background behind it. But it still came out good, even though it's backwards, so still a win-win. Now she about to make me a gangster brand. Check that out. Okay guys, that's what I was talking about, your vinyl that you're going to put on your shirt and make the designs. You take it, you put it on the mat like this black one. And it comes in all different colors, whatever color, glitter, red, white, blue. There's so many colors. And always when you're picking it up, get the everyday iron on. That's very important. Everyday iron on vinyl. And the Cricut vinyl is good quality, so I prefer to get that. But if you can't, there always you can go on Amazon with what your money can afford, and it still get the job done. So it's on you, but I'm just saying I prefer it. Okay guys, now we put our black vinyl shiny side down to the sticky part. Shiny side down, that's important. Stick it to the mat. Make sure it's secured. The Cricut standard grip mat. They come in green, blue, and purple. Okay, make sure it's stick and secure because we're about to run it through the Cricut machine. And always, when you doing your cutouts, I'm about to show you in a second. I'm about to load this in the machine. You gotta always remember, you gotta mirror your picture. Mirror means flip it opposite. You will have to make sure your design is fit for your mat. Always remember to mirror, or else your design will be backwards. You are going to have to make sure that the blinking arrow on your Cricut Explorer is flashing to let you know it is on. Load the mat and press the flashing Cricut logo. Your load is now finished.
Next is the eyes on layer 2.
Always look at the cutout in the light to see the correct cutout and the outlines.
Once the cutout is good, you will have to use the pick to drag out the back vinyl, but be very careful or you can tear the design. We are on the final layer. The eyes are very small, so we are going to save the rest of the vinyl that's left over. You now will need all your vinyl cutouts. To make your designs even on your shirt, you will need to place it on a flat surface and line it all up with a ruler. You'll now begin the heat press and make sure to add wax heat transfer paper. This helps from burning the design. Let it cool off for about 20 seconds and take the vinyl off and by the corner from the top left. Peel from top to bottom.